Are you ready to unlock the world of web development? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced developer looking to level up your skills, this is the place for you. Join me on a journey where we explore the ins and outs of web development from HTML and CSS to JavaScript, frameworks and beyond. In my tutorials, I break down complex topics into simple, easy to understand lessons. You will learn by doing, with practical examples and hands-on projects. From the basics to advanced techniques, I'll guide you every step of the way, ensuring you have a strong foundation and the ability to create stunning, responsive and user-friendly websites. And the best part is, you don't need any prior coding experience. My tutorials are designed to be beginner-friendly, making web development accessible to everyone. Throughout the channel, I'll showcase real-world examples and provide insight into the industry's best practices. You will gain the skills and knowledge to create impressive web applications. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of web development, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my community.